Hi guys, this is Manohar and welcome to Tutoralz. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the topic in time and work where multiple persons are involved in completing the work. Actually, this is the sixth part of time and work tutorial. If you haven't watched the previous parts, I recommend you to please watch previous parts of the time and work tutorial so that you can understand what is the basic concept of time and work and also what are the different methods we use in solving the problems. Now let's come to this video. Here we are going to discuss about the topic where multiple persons are involved in completing the work. Actually in the previous tutorials we have solved the problems where 2 or 3 persons are involved. Okay. Now in this video we are going to solve where 2 or 3 types of people are involved. Okay. Suppose consider an example. 10 men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Okay. 10 men, 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Here 10 men is one type of people and 20 women is one type of people. I mean their efficiency will be different. Okay. Now they are both combining and completing the work in 10 days. Okay. The most important thing in solving these kind of problems is you need to read the question very carefully whether it is given in the form of efficiency or it is form of total work. Okay. There will be more chance you will become confused whether it is given in the form of efficiency or total work done. Now I will show you some examples so that you can understand the concept more better way and then we can move to problems. Okay. Suppose I am considering the ratio of efficiency of men and women is 2:3. Okay. Suppose consider the ratio of efficiency of men and women is 2:3. Now how can we write this? Men and women, the ratio of efficiency is 2/3. Right? We can write in the same way. Whenever it is given in the ratio, we can write it as men by women equal to 2/3. Okay. Now by cross multiplying, we will get 3 men equal to 2 women. Okay, see they have given that efficiency of men and women is 2:3. Then we can write it as men by women equal to 2/3, right? Now by cross multiplying, we will get 3 men equal to 2 women. Okay, now wherever we find women in the question, okay, suppose in the question they have given that 10 men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Okay, 10 men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Okay, suppose consider this is the question. Okay, now we have got 3 men equal to 2 women. Then how can we solve it? See, wherever we find men, we can substitute women here, or wherever we find women, we can substitute men here. Okay, now I am writing this same equation as men equal to 2/3 women. Okay, see 3 men equal to 2 women, right? Now I can write it as men equal to 2/3 women. Okay, now wherever men is there, I can substitute this value of men here. Okay, then I will come to know what is the total amount of time taken for women to complete the work. Okay, I hope you are understanding. See, they have given efficiencies of men and women, and also they have given that 10 women and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Okay, now I came to know that 1 man equal to 2/3 women. Now I will substitute wherever the man is there, I will substitute the man as 2/3 women. Then I will get 10 into man in the sense 2/3 women, right, plus 20 women. I will get 1. So here I am converting 2 unknown variables into 1 unknown variable. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Here we don't know men and women. Here there are 2 unknown variables. So I am converting all these 2 unknown variables to only 1 unknown variable. Okay, I am converting all the men into women. Or you can also convert all women into men. Okay, you can write as it is. Okay, now I am considering one more example so that you can understand how to write when it is work done. Here they have given, remember this, here they have given in the form of efficiency. Okay, here they have given in the form of efficiency. This is the process how to write when it is given in the form of efficiency. Okay, now I will consider another example so that you can understand how to write when it is given in the form of work done. Okay, suppose consider 10 men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Okay, suppose consider 10 men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Now I am considering another scenario where 20 men and 10 women can complete the work in 5 days. Okay, I am considering one scenario where 10 men and 20 women, see the above example is different and below example is completely different. Okay, 10 men and 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Now I am considering another scenario where 20 men and 10 women can complete the same amount of work in 5 days. Okay, remember this, 10 men, 20 women can complete the work in 10 days. Now 20 men and 10 men can complete the same amount of work, okay, in 5 days. Here the keyword is same amount of work. So they are given the problem in the form of work done, okay. Now they are saying the amount of work done is same in both the cases. So we can simply equate this. Okay, so they are saying that the amount of work done in both the cases is same. So we can simply equate what is the total amount of work done by men and women equal to the total amount of work done men and women in second scenario. Okay, remember this is given in the form of efficiency. This is given in the form of total work to be done. Okay, here they have given that the amount of work done is same in both the cases. That's the reason we are equating the amount of work done in both the scenarios. Here they have given the efficiency of men and women. So I am converting men into women or women into men. Then we can substitute all the men in the form of women or all the women in the form of men. Then we can convert two unknown variables into one unknown variable. Okay. Actually, these two are very most important things when it comes to multiple persons or equation based problems. Okay, first thing is you need to be very clear whether the given data is in the form of efficiency or whether the given data is in the form of total work done. Okay, the other thing is you must be able to convert the given data into the equation. Okay, after converting into equation, it is very simple. You can simply substitute their efficiencies and solve the problem. Okay, now let's solve some more problems based on this multiple persons so that you can understand how to use this concept in solving the problems. Okay, let's see the first problem. They are saying that 30 men and 10 women can complete the work in 5 days. If the efficiency of a woman is 5 by 2 of a man, in how many days 5 men and 3 women complete the same work? So here the keyword is same work. So the total amount of work done is same in both the scenarios. So we can simply equate them. And also they are saying the efficiency of women is 5 by 2 of a man. Okay, now let's see the how to solve the problem. So they are saying 30 men plus 10 women can complete the job in 5 days. Okay, can complete the work in 5 days. Okay, 30 men plus 10 women can complete the work in 5 days. And also they are saying the efficiency of women is 5 by 2 of a man. Okay, the efficiency of women is 5 by 2 of a man. So wherever I find this women, I can simply substitute 5 by 2 man there. Okay, I hope you are understanding. They have given the efficiency of women is 5 by 2 of a man. So wherever I find women, I can simply substitute 5 by 2 man there. Okay, and also they are saying 5 men, okay, 5 men and 3 women can complete the work in how many days? So they are asking us to find out what is the time taken for 5 men and 3 women to complete the same amount of work. Okay, in both the cases, the amount of work to be done is same. So we can simply equate both the scenarios. Okay, what we will get, 30 men plus 10 women can complete the work in 5 days. So 5 men plus 3 women, how many days they will take to complete the same work? Okay, in both the cases the amount of work done is same. So I am equating both the scenarios. Now I will substitute wherever there is women, I will simply substitute 5 by 2 men. So I will get 30 men plus 10 into women is 5 by 2 man. Okay, 5 by 2 man into 5 equal to 5 men plus 3 into 5 by 2 man. Okay, into x. Okay, now if I cancel this, 2 ones, 2 5s, and there are no other scenarios that it will be cancelled, and then I will get 30 men plus 5 into 5, that is 25 men. Okay, then into 5 equal to 5 men plus 3 into 5, that is 15 by 2 man into x. Okay, now I will get 30 plus 25, that is 55 men into 5 equal to, the LCM is 2 here, so 2 into 5 will be 10 men plus 15 men by 2 into x. So if I send this 2 into 2 to the left hand side, I will get 55 men into 10. Okay, if I send this 2 to the left hand side, I will get 2 into 5 will be 10. Then 55 into 10 will be automatically 550 men. Okay, 550 men equal to 10 men plus 15 men, that is 25 men into x. Okay, now men and men will be cancelled, and 25 ones, 25 twos 50, and also again 50, that is 2. X equal to 22 days. Okay, so 5 men and 3 women totally takes 22 days to complete the same work. Okay, now let's see the second question. They are saying that if 28 men complete 7 by 8 of a piece of work in 1 week, then the number of men who must be engaged to get the remaining work completed in another week is. The question is very simple. We can simply solve the question using this chain rule method. Okay, if you have watched that chain rule tutorial, you can simply solve this question in a fraction of seconds. Okay, now let's see. They are saying that 28 men have completed 7 by 8 part of the work in 1 week, that is 7 days. Okay, 28 men have completed 7 by 8 part of the work in 1 week, so that is 7 days. Okay, now 7 by 8 part of the work is already completed. Now what is the amount of work done that is left over, that is 1 minus 7 by 8. So 1 by 8 part of the work is left over. Now they are asking us to find out what is the total men required to complete this 1 by 8 part of the work in 1 week. Okay, so here in both the cases the total amount of work done is different, so we can simply use second formula of chain rule, that is W1 by W2 equal to P1 D1 H1 by P2 D2 H2. So here the hours is not given, so we can simply cancel the hours. Now if I substitute these values here, I will get W1, that is 7 by 8 part of the work. Okay, W2, that is 1 by 8 part of the work. Okay, now P1 is 28 men. 28 men into D1 is 7 days. Okay, in the below scenario also we don't know how many persons needed, and also the time is same, that is 7 days. Okay, now I will cancel 7 and 7 here. So if I send this P2, I will get 7 by 8 into P2 equal to 28 into 1 by 8. So I will cancel 8 and 8 here. 7 ones, 7 fours, 28. So P2 equal to 4 men. Okay, then 4 persons are required to complete this 1 by 8 part of the work in 7 days. Now let's see the third problem. They are saying that the ratio of work done by 20 men and 30 women at the same time is 10:9. If 10 men and 20 women can do the work in 2 days, then how many men are required to finish the work in 4 days? So we need to find out how many men are required to complete the whole work in 4 days. Okay, now they are saying that the ratio of work done of 20 men and 30 women is 10:9. Okay, please read the question carefully. Here they have given ratio of work done, but this is not the ratio of efficiency. Okay, here this is the ratio of total work done by 20 men and 30 women. Okay, 20 men is completing 10 parts of work and 30 women is completing 9 parts of work. Okay, and also they are saying that 10 men plus 20 women can complete the work in 2 days. So here 1 day's work will be 1 by 2. Okay, now we are our target is to find out how many men are required to complete the whole work. Now to find out how many men are required, first of all we need to know what is the efficiency of the man. Okay, so to find out what is the efficiency of my man, I need to convert these all the equation into man. Okay, first of all we need to know how many men are required to complete the total work. So we don't know how many men, so for that we need to know first of all what is the efficiency of the man. Okay, to find that efficiency we need to convert all the equation into the man. Okay, but we don't know what is the relationship between men and women. Okay, to convert this equation into man or women, we don't know what is the relationship between men and women. So to find that men and women relation, I can use this total amount of work done data given in the question. Okay, I am explaining you once again. See, here we need to find out how many men are required to complete the job. So for that, first of all we need to know what is the efficiency of the man. Okay, so to find out what is the efficiency of the man, I need to convert all this equation into man or woman so that I can find out what is the total time taken for man, and from that I can find out what is the efficiency of the man. So to convert this equation into man or woman, first of all I need to know what is the relationship between man and woman. So for that I use this total data given in the question. Okay, so here the total amount of work done is different in both the scenarios. So you can use second formula of chain rule so that we can come to know what is the relationship between men and women. Okay, so I will solve this so that you can understand. See, here the total amount of work done is different in both the scenarios, that is 20 men and 30 women. So we can use second formula of chain rule, that is W1 by W2 equal to P1 D1 by P2 D2. So we will get W1 by W2, that is 10 by 9 equal to P1, that is 20 men. Okay, 20 men. P2, that is 30 women. Since the total amount of time taken by both of them is same, so we can simply cancel D1 and D2. Okay, now 0 and 0 will be cancelled, and 3 ones, 3 3s 9, and 2 ones, 2 5s. Now we will get, if I cross multiply this, I will get 5 women equal to 3 men. Okay, now 1 woman equal to 3 by 5 men. Okay, now we have got what is the relationship between women and men, that is 1 woman equal to 3 by 5 men. So if I substitute this value in the equation, I will come to know what is the efficiency of the man. Okay, now I am substituting this 1 woman equal to 3 by 5 man in the equation, so I can get 10 men plus 20 women. Okay, 20 women, 1 woman is 3 by 5 man. 3 by 5 man. So they are completing the work in 2 days, that is 1 by 2 is the efficiency. Okay, now if I cancel this 5 ones, 5 4s, and 10 man plus 4 into 3, that is 12 men equal to 1 by 2. So 22 men equal to 1 by 2. So 22 men's efficiency is 1 by 2. Now 1 man's efficiency is 1 by 22 into 2, that is 44, 1 by 44. So 1 man's efficiency is 1 by 44. Now we need to find out how many men are required to complete the whole work in 4 days. So we need to find out 1 man's efficiency is 1 by 44. So we don't know how many men are required. So I am writing men as M. And also they are completing the work in 4 days. Okay, so we can simply write it as 1 by 4. Okay, I am writing this equation above so that you can understand. See, 1 man's efficiency is 1 by 44. Okay, but we don't know how many men. Then I am simply writing it as M, and also they are completing the work in 4 days. That is 1 day's work will be 1 by 4. Okay, I hope you are understanding. 1 by 44 is the efficiency of 1 man. We don't know how many men required to complete the job. Now they are saying that the job needs to be completed in 4 days. That is 1 day's work will be 1 by 4. Okay, now if I cancel this, 4 ones, 4 11s, and M equal to 11 days, 11 men. Okay, so totally 11 men are required to complete the job. Now let's look at our fourth problem. They are saying that 3 men and 2 women can do a piece of work in 15 days. 2 men and 3 women can do the same work in 18 days. The number of days taken by 1 man and 1 woman to complete the work. So we need to find out what is the time taken for 1 man and 1 woman to complete the work. So to find that, we need to find what is the total amount of work to be done. Then we can find what is the efficiency of man and also what is the efficiency of woman, and also what is the total time taken for man and woman to complete the work. Okay, now I can solve this so that you can understand. So they are saying that 3 men and 2 women can complete the work in 15 days. Okay, work in 15 days. And also they are saying that 2 men plus 3 women can complete the work in 18 days. Okay, now we need to find out what is the total amount of work to be done, and then we need to find out efficiency so that we can find out what is the total amount of time taken by 1 man and 1 woman. Okay, so to find out what is the total amount of work done, we need to find M and women relation. Okay, to find this M and women relation, we can simply use chain rule, or we can simply equate this both the scenarios. Okay, here the total amount of work done is same in both the scenarios, so that we can simply equate them to find what is the relationship between men and women. So I am simply equating this. I will get 3 men plus 2 women into 15 equal to 2 men plus 3 women into 18. So if I cancel this, I will get 3 5s 15 and 3 6 18. Now there is no cancellation, and if I multiply this, 15 men plus 5 2s 10 women equal to 6 2s 12 men, and plus 6 3s 18 women. Now if I send this men to the left hand side and women to the right hand side, I will get 15 minus 12, that is 3 men equal to 18 minus 10, that is 8 women. So we can simply write it as men by women equal to 8 by 3. Okay. This is the efficiency of men and women. So we know that men is completing 8 units per day and women is completing 3 units per day. Okay. Men's efficiency is 8 and women's efficiency is 3. So men is completing 8 units per day and women is completing 3 units per day. So if I substitute this 8 and 3 in the place of 3 men and 2 women, I will get what is the total amount of work to be done. Okay. Now I am substituting these values here. So I will get 3 of men is 8, right? 8 plus 2 of women is 3 into 15 days to complete the one part of work. Okay, now if I 3 into 8 will be 24 plus 2 into 3 will be 6 into 15 equal to 1. So the total amount of work to be done is 24 plus 6, that is 30 into 15. Okay, 30 into 15, that is 415 is 45, 450 units. So this is the total amount of work to be done. So we know that men's efficiency is 8 units per day and women's efficiency is 3 units per day. They are asking us to find out what is the total time taken by one man and one woman to complete this 450 units of work. Okay, men is completing 8 units per day and women is completing 3 units per day. So they both combiningly doing 11 units per day. So what is the time taken for one man and one woman to complete this 450 units? That is 450 units by 11 units. Now let's see the fifth problem. They are saying that 3 men, 4 women and 6 children can complete a work in 7 days. A woman does double the work of a man and child does half of the work of a man. How many women are required to complete the work in 7 days? So we need to find out how many women are required to complete the whole work in 7 days. Okay. Now they are saying that 3 men plus 4 women plus 6 children can complete the work in 7 days. That is, 1 day's work will be 1 by 7. Okay. 3 men, 4 women and 6 children can complete the work in 7 days. So its 1 day's work will be 1 by 7. And also they are saying us to find out what is the total count of women to complete the total work in 7 days. So to find out what is the count of women to complete the work, I need to convert all this equation into women so that I can find out efficiency of women and also total time taken for women to complete the work. Okay, to find out how many women required for complete the work, I need to convert this all the equation into women so that I can find out total time and also total efficiency of the women. And also they are saying that woman does double the work of a man. Okay, woman does double the work of a man. So W equal to 2M or woman equal to 2 men. This can also be written as 1 man equal to 1 by 2 women. Okay, woman does 2 parts of a work of man. So W does 2 times of a man. So it can also written as men equal to 1 by 2 of a woman. Okay, and also they have given that child does half part of the man work. Okay, child does half part of the man work. So if I substitute this value of M here, I will get child does 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 women. So I will get women by 4. Okay, see, women does double the work of a man. So we can write it as W equal to 2M. And also it can be written as men equal to half women. And also child does half of the work of man. So if I substitute this value of M here, I will get C equal to 1 by 4 women or W by 4. Okay, now I have converted men into women and also child into women. So we can substitute all these women values in the equation so that I can come to know what is the total time taken for women to complete the work. Okay, now I am substituting these values here. So 3 of men, 1 man is equal to 1 by 2 women. Okay, and also 4 women. 4 women. Now 6 children. 6 into children. 1 child is equal to woman by 4. Okay, equal to 1 by 7. They can complete the whole work in 7 days. Okay. Now I will get the LCM will be, or we can cancel here, 2 3 6 and 2 2 4. Now the LCM will be 2 units here. 2 and 3 women plus 4 women, sorry, 2 into 4 will be 8 women plus 3 women equal to 1 by 7. So I will get 3 plus 8 plus 3, that is 8 plus 6, that is 14 women. 14 women by 2 equal to 1 by 7. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. That is 7 women can complete the whole work in 7 days. Okay, we don't even want to cancel the values. Here we have directly got 7 women can complete the work in 1 by 7. So that is 7 days. Okay, 7 women's efficiency is 1 by 7. So 7 women can complete the total work in 7 days. Okay, in this way we solve multiple persons and also equation based problems. Okay, the only thing you need to consider here is you need to read the question carefully whether the given data is in the form of efficiency or total work done. Okay, and also another thing is you need to convert the data into the equation. So if you are able to convert the data into equation, you can simply substitute the values and also find out what is the efficiency and also what is the time taken for them to complete the job. Okay, now and that's it for this video. For more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.